Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to receive notifications on promotions in the Viator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the push notifications button, and if you scroll down a bit, look for the promotions button and receive deals and special offers through that. So to enable the function, click on the white circle next to it, and once it turned green, the function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.